Here we go. Here we go, Sandra. Hello, Sandra.
Hi.
How are you?
How are you, Dugue?
Okay. I mean, I see you everywhere. And so you are here at the Expo, Georgia Haitian Chamber of Commerce Expo Business. So
That's
tell me
right.
a little bit about this gathering.
So
How do you like it so far?
I love it. Everybody looks like they're having fun. We have the media, we have coverage. Small business owners are selling items, which is what this is all about. In anticipation for the holidays, we invited a lot of people and they showed up and they're purchasing from other small business owners. I myself got a few items
Look at that.
I'm very excited about, and I'm going to check out a few more. So if you're not here yet, I encourage you to come. But if you don't have it, please follow up and make sure you get the names of the vendors that were here, visit their website, their social media pages, and let's support one another and make sure the dollar stays in our community.
So overall, you are very satisfied about this gathering.
I am. It's going really well. We're here until 4 p.m., so it's only, what, 1, I believe? So please come down.
So, and I know you are part of the legal team, right?
That's right.
And haven't seen you doing anything so far as far as the legal team. Tell me.
Well, thank you for bringing that up. We do have a team of lawyers here, about a dozen, and they're generously donating their time to consult with the members of the public, whether you're a consumer or you're one of the vendors. We have immigration, we have housing, we have landlord-tenant, we have general practitioners, business consultation, tax, labor and employment, you name it. If you have an issue, these attorneys are very happy to meet with you and give you some legal advice. Like I said, free of charge, so you don't want to miss that.
So can you direct me to the table where they are? Because I don't see them. Or do they have a specific room?
We have a conference room.
Oh, conference room.
There's a legal room up front when you first come in. If you go to the right, that's where we're holding legal counsel sessions. But also I encourage them to come out and mingle with the vendors, let them know that they're here. So there's a mixture of them in the crowd here as well as in the room up front.
All right, thank you, Sandra, for your time as always.
Thank you. I love that you always support the chamber. We appreciate
This is my job. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.